I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and OS so you know which menu you'll use. Once done, back up any wallpaper images or configuration to cloud or local storage so you can restore if needed. Now open the Settings app and search for Wallpaper, Display, or Lock Screen. This moves you straight to the control panel where Wallpaper's live. You do this first to avoid surprises and to ensure you can revert changes if the remove step affects other personalization. You now locate the lock screen preview inside Wallpaper or Display settings. This is where the actual image is applied. Once there, select Change or Edit and pick the lock screen target specifically, not the home screen. Choose the system default, a solid color, or if available a Remove or None option. Doing so clears the custom image. If the OS lacks a None option, create a plain black or transparent image and set it as the lock screen to simulate. You finish by confirming the lock screen displays the default or your blank image, and then restart the device to ensure the change sticks. If the previous wallpaper persists, clear the Settings or Wallpaper app cache on Android, or force restart iPhone and reapply. These steps resolve stale cache issues. Make sure to retain your backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. If the wallpaper is enforced by device policy or carrier, contact the OEM or admin because removal may be restricted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.